The answer is yes. Yes, she is too young to be playing guitar and learning guitar yet. And I realized I kind of made a clickbait thumbnail there, but I wanted to get people interested because this is a really important topic if you're going to learn guitar or really anything. So silliness with the baby aside, today I want to bring up what is probably the single most important thing you can ask yourself when you start learning to play the guitar. Why do I want to learn this thing?
I suck in this game. Yeah. Oh.
Is it one of these things you just saw, some combination of these, or something else entirely? Please let me know in the comments below. Now, the reason I said the most important question is, why do I want to learn this thing, is this. If you don't truly know why you're learning in the first place, you're going to quit as soon as it gets tough. And that's why I'm making this video, to hopefully keep that from happening, or maybe to inspire you to come back to it if you did lose interest. As a guy who has spent over 30 years teaching hundreds and hundreds of students, I've seen this at every level, and I actually get most excited when someone new comes to me who has played for years but kind of stalled or even put it down, because defining this question will often ignite that passion for the guitar again. And if you're new to the instrument and you figured this out early on, well, you can spend your time on the aspects of learning that are the shortest path to that goal, rather than, say, wasting a bunch of time crushing on some scales if your real goal is to just strum an acoustic so you can sing along or write songs.
He's on the highway to nowhere, lined with the young, the free and the foolish.
So anyway, think about it. Ask yourself why you want to learn, and then do the things that align with that. If you want to play covers, just learn the cover songs. Don't do a bunch of drills. If you want to write songs, then write them and get some basic recording stuff and start that. Don't wait until you reach some imaginary milestone or tell yourself you're not good enough yet. You're not competing with anyone. Make stuff just for you and play the guitar just for you. And then if you share that at some point, cool. But no one says that you have to for it to be meaningful. And so it's a short video today. That's my whole message. If you want some help with direction, just answer the why question in my comment section, and I'll get back to you with some good ideas that hopefully will help you have some more fun while you're learning. And as always, guys, keep making great music.